Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Uneasy calm before the family of Chief Bernard Chinemeze, Nwokenochie of Umokorana Kundoyo Weredure Wurumamusa Autonomous Community in Njaba LG, Imo State, Nigeria, aged 75 years. Today, 26th of November 2025, by 8 p.m. in the night, the funeral rites began with a Christian wake-up at his compound.
So for that reason, Egypt 30,000 naira. Say Allah yata.
Nwokenochie long wine. Makurala. Omesanga long wine. Makurala. Okureglosa ga long wine. Makurala. 3,000 ekene makurala. From Capon, Thomas is the makurala also. As a DVR, ana wonere. Celebrity na TikTok. The mother one them. Amuchebi said you got 20,000. Nega dene. Ichela kate miano. You gonna to take it. I got the baby, come on away. Papa, the colonial chest. I got the baby.
Naha Jesus. Ganang nagarudu. Igagaruya kafe naha Jesus.
Today, 27th November 2025, the burial day. It began with the departure of late Chief Nwokenochie. Body leaves City of David Mortuary Upwood to his hometown, Durewuru Umamusa Autonomous Community. A brief stop was made at Ugo Social Club of Nigeria Hall, Amateur.
Sweet presence, transform, remold, and renew our heart. Help us to love you more.
We are the members of the club, associates, friends, and well-wishers gathered to pay him a last respect. The procession continued to his maternal home, Amateur ABC Autonomous Community, and his remains proceeded for another brief stop to the palace of His Royal Highness Eze Sabisi Onsaraka Ibuduwan of Umamusa, where the chiefs, their Nzes, and associates honored him with traditional rites and final respect befitting his status and contribution to the community. Fare thee well, Onyenze. Fare thee well, a great man par excellence. Thereafter, his body was conveyed to his residence at Nwokenochie compound, Umamusa. emotional moment, his first son, Mr. Nwokenochie, alongside with his mom and the entire family of Nwokenochie, the royal family, associates, friends and well-wishers, bade him a final farewell. The casket was closed up for onward movements. We keep you updated as we proceed from Ajiboonwa Media Short. A solemn burial mass was celebrated at St. Patrick Catholic Church, Amateur, at 10 a.m. in the morning. After which, his remains were committed to Mother Earth in his compound, marking the final earthly journey of late Chief Nze Bernard Chinemeze Nwokenochie at age 75 years. Late Chief Nze Bernard Chinemeze Nwokenochie is a man of honor. He's a man of many class. The legacy of late Chief Nze Bernard Nwokenochie Chinemeze will be remembered as a man of honor, humanity, and unwavering dedication to family and community. His life was marked by wisdom, leadership, and deep sense of responsibility that earned him respect among his peers and the younger generation alike. He was a pillar of unity, a custodian of culture, a source of guidance, whose legacy will be continued to live on in the life he's touched. His footstep of integrity, kindness, and service remains a guiding light for his family and community. Though he's no longer with us in body, and his spirit remains evergreen, values and impact will forever remain evergreen in our hearts. Late Chief Nze Bernard Chinemeze Nwokenochie, survived by wife, son, daughters, sons-in-law, brothers and sisters, grandchildren, and host of other relations. The family sincerely appreciates relatives, friends, associates, and well-wishers for their overwhelming support, prayers, and presence throughout this period. May God bless and reward you abundantly. Rest on Onyenze. Rest on a great man, a father, our beloved dad, an icon, a patriarch. May your gentle soul rest in peace. Signed, Mr. Nwokenochie. Okuwerezoku, Tenkobo, Nwa South, for the family. Announcer, Wanze Ijoma Judith, on behalf of Ajiboonwa Special Show on 09036881991.